Hello everyone and welcome to my vlog. Today I'm taking you along to a very special annual event held at the beautiful award-winning Childers Nature Camp in Childers, Queensland. Each year ladies from the Rolling Solo camping group travel from all around Australia to come together to this wonderful gathering. Some have travelled just a short distance, while others have journeyed hundreds or even thousands of kilometres to be here. Rolling Solo is a fantastic Australia-wide community of ladies who share a love of camping, caravanning, travelling and adventure. But it's about much more than just travelling. It's also about friendship, support, laughter and spending time with other like-minded women. For this annual event, Childers Nature Camp becomes home for a week to an amazing group of women, each bringing their own stories, experiences and sense of adventure. Over the next few days, there will be plenty of opportunity to catch up with old friends, make new ones, enjoy beautiful surroundings, share meals, take part in activities and of course have lots of laughs along the way. So come along with me as I take you inside this very special Rolling Solo gathering and show you what makes this event something that so many ladies look forward to each year. Each year, Matt and Reen Roberts, the owners of the Childers Nature Camp, put a great deal of thought into making the Rolling Solo gathering a special and enjoyable experience for everyone attending. They are always coming up with different ideas, activities and events to bring everyone together, ensuring there is plenty of fun, laughter and opportunities to make wonderful memories. But there is also another very special part of the annual gathering. Each year, the camp chooses a charity to support and raises money throughout the event for a worthy cause. This year, the chosen charity was Eden Place, Bundaberg's Domestic and Family Violence Refuge and Support Services. It was wonderful to see everyone getting involved and supporting such an important cause.
Katrina, what does it feel like?
I'll be able to travel another 100 kilometres.
You're the winner of the dock. Number 27. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Through the generosity of the ladies attending and the fundraising activities organised throughout the gathering, everyone had the opportunity to contribute while also enjoying themselves. It is moments like these that remind us that the Rolling Solo community is about much more than simply travelling and camping. It is about friendship, supporting one another, having fun and coming together to make a positive difference in the lives of others. One of the highlights of the last few years has been our very own Rolling Solo fashion show. Now, this isn't your ordinary fashion parade. There are no expensive designer outfits or professional models here. Instead, our fabulous models are the Rolling Solo ladies themselves. The local charity shop generously allows us to choose from clothing that has been donated to them, and our ladies then get their chance to strap their stuff on the catwalk. And of course, there is plenty of laughter along the way. It is amazing what you find in charity shop, and the ladies certainly know how to put together an outfit and have some fun with it. The best part is that the clothes are available for the ladies to purchase after the fashion parade, so everyone gets a chance to pick up a bargain while supporting a very worthwhile cause. This year, the fashion show raised more than $120 for the Salvation Army. So, with a little bit of fun, a lot of laughter and some very enthusiastic modelling, we were able to raise money for a great cause and perhaps find ourselves a bargain or two along the way. I think it's safe to say that the Rolling Solo ladies prove that you don't have to be a professional model to enjoy your moments on the catwalk.
As I was saying, Joe in the classic black pant, black slacks, could be beautiful for a wedding, could be also a barbecue, a cocktail night, and the beautiful lace top, which is lovely.
That's lovely, that lace
and
top.
white lace.
That's beautiful.
How much is your lace top, Joe? $6.
It's a bargain. Oh, look at this pants.
And look at the detailed buttons on the pants. Joe, would you mind walking along?
Are you buying that? Oh, it's lovely. It looks really lovely on you. Oh, come on.
Tie around the waist. You can loosen the waist a little bit. Yeah, so you can alter it a little bit. Beautiful soft floral. Thank you, Anne. Ones with that little bit extra tire, or you might like to.
I don't know. Well, I'm not going to go there.
It goes to the Salvation Army. Is that correct?
Yeah.
That's right.
That's right. Salvation Army. Beautiful, Joe. So there you go, $9 for the perfect evening outfit, ladies.
I think if you took that thing on the Gold Coast, mate, you'd get $20 to $30 for that.
Easy. Beautiful. Now someone's got to go home with that in their wardrobe.
So, that's just a taste of what goes on at our annual gathering. There was plenty more happening throughout the week. So let's go back to the action and see what else the Rolling Solo ladies got up to this year.
We've got new ones here. So you lot are on your seconds?
Yes, I am.
God, they're filling, aren't they? Absolutely beautiful. I have cakes. Thumbs up for the pancakes. Thumbs up for the pancakes. Yay. There we go. Nice.
Yes, that's right. Karaoke night. There was certainly a few ladies who weren't quite convinced that this was going to be a good idea. But it didn't take long for those groans to turn into laughter, and before we knew it, we were elbowing each other out of the way to get to the microphone. Once the music started, there was no holding us back. We all sang with great gusto, and I used the word sang very generously. There were some very interesting performances throughout the night, and while the standard of singing may have started out somewhat questionable, it definitely seemed to improve as the evening went on, or perhaps we just became more confident. There was certainly no shortage of enthusiasm, and the laughter coming from the audience was almost as loud as the singing.
Let me tell you something about Hot Potato Band. We don't always get along on tour. We've been back for 15 years. Sometimes we're in a small band, it gets really smelly, someone drops a bomb, and then we start fighting. It's like, whoa!
And while the celebrations continued late into Saturday night, there was one thing that wasn't stopping for the party: the cane train. Despite all the music, laughter and celebrations happening at the festival, the cane train continued its journey through the night. Back and forth it went, reminding us that while we were busy celebrating, the sugarcane harvest was still carrying on.
Thank you. Yeah, having a great day. Thank you. And the paramedics. Going to see what they've drawn. Just trying to get that one in.
Well, didn't the hat stall prove to be very popular with some ladies? There was plenty of interest, lots of trying on, a bit of discussion, and of course some serious negotiation. After a little bit of bargaining and a few careful considered offers, voila, we have a hat. And judging by the smiles, I think everyone was pretty happy with the outcome.
Here we are at Woodgate. Getting to you?
Oh, very. Oh, that's what I want to do. I want to borrow your shoulder. Oh, yeah. I just want to.
There we go. We need a bit of help to get in. Okay. Who's going to go? Who's going to sit? Oh, look at Nikki go! Look at Nikki! One. Oh, careful! Two. That's the end of the first.
There's 2 robins in it.
This food come out of first. Good girl.
And here we have the final. Oh!
Go! That's it.
Oh, they've got the technique here.
Help each other out.
We're not competitive.
Well done.
Yay!
Help each other
Oh,
out.
guys, good on you.
Do not let go. Do not let go. Quick, quick, quick.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Is everybody okay?
Hang on. They let anybody drive here in Australia. Okay, we're having our dinner.
Can you believe over the week fundraising by having a barbecue and of course the duck race, which was a great hit, we were able to give $400 to the Bundaberg Domestic Violence Unit. And that's the rolling solo spirit. And I think this is what I enjoy most about rolling solo, aka rollers. It's not just about camping, it's about friendship. It's about women from all different backgrounds coming together, sharing experiences, helping each other and enjoying life. There is always someone to have a chat with, someone to share a meal with, someone to laugh with, and usually someone who has a story that is even better than yours. I find that a bit hard to believe. Joking. So sadly, all good things must come to an end. Eventually, the caravans and campers have to be packed up, goodbyes have to be said, and everyone heads off in different directions. But we don't really say goodbye. We say, see you down the road.